How to change server in Valorant. So first open up your browser and then just search for Valorant change server. Now click on this one. Once you're here, scroll down and look for submit a ticket. Click on this one. Now here, choose your request type, choose account management. Okay, once you're here, just choose your platform that you play on Valorant. So let's say I'm playing on PC. Now type in your subject here. So I'm just going to type in change server here and then select your inquiry. Now here I'm just going to select account management. Now here, select your inquiry again. Need help changing region, this one. Now here, just type in your description here. And then you can also add your attachments here. And then after that, just click on submit and then wait for Valorant to get back to you. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.